In the early week of January, we bought Momo, and she's part of our family from Agi's 13th birthday onwards. At that time, none of us knew that SARS-CoV-19 existed. Now the virus has spread to many countries across the world, infecting over 1 million people, taking many lives. Crashing economies, breaking healthcare systems. It has filled hospitals and emptied public spaces. It has separated people from their workplaces, their friends. It seems to have diminished social life to a non-existence. COVID-19, it's disrupting modern society on a scale that most of us never anticipated. Well, amidst this, we had to take Momo's for a checkup. Her fungal infection seemed to be flaring up. The poor thing was on an itchy frenzy, her lovely coat turning dusty grey. Rumbling through familiar roads, minus the buzz of traffic, toots, the honks. Who thought it would be missed? Stopped promptly in junctions by cops, doing their due. Checking papers, explaining consequences. Stay home, they said. Your life is more important. Shop after shop stays shuttered down. Just a few roadside fishmongers, a few vegetable stalls. Temples are shut, all weddings on hold. COVID-19 seems to be a lot more than we can behold. And Momo's, she yawns. Wind hits her face. The itch from the infection seems to be her only concern. We keep going forward. The figureless COVID, is it a wanderlust? For there is no country it seems to have spared. Or a caste, or a creed, or socio-economic status. None of it is of interest. It breeds on anyone whom it comes across. When will we bid farewell to this unwelcome guest? Will there be unpleasant discoveries ahead? Will the mask and social distancing become part of the norm? Will there be an entire new way of life? Questions lingers. But for now, wash your hands. Stay home, and let's hope and wait for this too to pass.